Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw an arrow shape on your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and click on this comment option, this menu bar. Now click on this shape down arrow and here you will find this arrow option. Click here and drag your mouse cursor and rotate your and fix arrow direction anywhere and see this, yeah. And this right side top corner this properties option, here you can increase this arrow thickness and you can change this arrow color, see this one, and arrow ending point, this one, and this is starting point, see this one, yeah. This is in this way you can change arrow color, arrow thickness, and this is transparency option, yeah. This is, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.